Hello everybody. Today I'm going to explain the cleaning up an oil spill experiment, which you will be completing at home. The materials you will need are 3 bowls that can hold at least 1 cup of water. I am using this baking sheet, so if I have any mess, it will not spill onto the counter or anywhere else in your home. You will need some cooking oil, which I have in this cup here, and it is mixed with some food coloring so that I can see it easily on the water surface. You may also use straws or toothpicks, similar to these ones here, to create a boom in the water, which is something that contains the oil in one spot. You will also need some absorbance, which can be a paper towel in little pieces like this, or you can use cotton balls, or you may use tissue paper or toilet paper, whatever you may have at home. You may also be needing, for the third bowl, you're going to need the Dawn soap or any kind of dish soap, or you could use detergent, which I have in this little measuring cup here. So for today's experiment, you're going to be looking at 3 different ways to clean up an oil spill. One way is to use a skimmer, which is just to use a spoon, similar to this one here, and you would skim the oil from the top of the water surface. The second method you're going to try is using absorbance, which means you're using these materials here to soak up the oil. You also need a cup to collect those pieces and put them into after. And the third method you will use is using the absorbent or using the dispersants, which is the soap or detergent, to put into the water and to try to make the oil kind of disperse or clump together so it's easier to remove from the water surface. You will put oil into each bowl, and then you'll try each method to try to figure out which one works the best. So I will add oil to each of my bowls here. And I've added some food coloring to my oil so I can see the oil a little bit better on top of the surface. And you can now see that there is oil in each bowl. I will first start by trying the skimmer method, which means I will take a spoon and I will just skim off the top. So I'll try to collect the oil and put it back in this cup here, or in another bowl that you may have. And I'm going to try to remove all the oil as easily as possible. The second method you're going to try is using the dispersants or the absorbents. Either one works. So I would take some of my paper towel here and I would dab it on the bowl and try to collect some of the oil from the bowl. As you can see, the food coloring is now mixing with the water and you can see the oil a bit more. So I would use this here to try to dab the oil and try and remove it from the bowl. I could also use cotton balls like this here and dab with a cotton ball and try to remove the oil. You're trying to get that bowl as clean as possible. The third method that you will try is adding dispersants or some kind of soap to the third bowl. So I'm going to take my laundry detergent. You need to ask your parents first, or you may use dish soap. And I'm going to pour a little of that into the bowl. It is going to cause the oil to move to the sides. And you can also mix it with your spoon. So when you mix this in the water, it's going to separate the oil and it will be closer to the sides or on the top. It'll break up the oil into smaller pieces, and then you can remove it using a skimmer, using the spoon like this here, and taking the oil out and putting it away into a disposal cup. These are the 3 methods you are going to be trying, and you need to take a picture at the end of the experiment to show which method worked best for you for cleaning up an oil spill. That is all. Thank you.